Today, I'm going to show you how to install Nginx on Mac. All the details of the commands used in this video will be attached in the GitHub link in the description below. Assuming you have brew installed in your machine, you may key in brew install Nginx to install Nginx, and that's all. There are two ways to run Nginx, and I'm going to show Nginx commands method. You may run Nginx command to start the Nginx. The default Nginx port is 8080. You may try to access localhost 8080 in your browser, and you can see Nginx is up in the browser. There is no content at the moment. Let's open the Nginx config file to change the served content to the correct directory. I have some HTML example files over there. Let's try to reload all the config. You can now see all the changes have been reflected. Lastly, you may stop the Nginx by running nginx-s quit command, and that's it.